Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet, and I am back with another rapid unboxing video. This time it's a Moon Phase chronograph automatic mechanical watch. But before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will help the channel to grow and I will be able to get more watches for you. Just to let you know what exactly we are going to cover in this video, first we will do the unboxing of the watch. That is obvious. A quick first impression of the watch. Then we will talk about the measurement of the watch. After that we will check how exactly this watch looks on a wrist. First, it's a wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my KUERST skeleton model number KR8062. A few weeks ago, I made an unboxing video of this watch. I will leave the video link in the description and you can find the link on the top right corner as well. We received our watch in an unmarked black box. Without any further delay, let us open the box and we can see a few items inside. First, there is a manual for the watch, but unfortunately it seems to be in Chinese, which I cannot read, so I decided to discard it. Second, there is a VIP card with Chinese written on it, and again I decided to discard it. Finally, the main attraction, the watch. Let's quickly remove it from the plastic to have a closer look. Oh, by the way, the brand name is Tevise. That's a nice looking watch. It's got a rose gold case and it looks premium for the price I paid. The model number of this watch is T867A. The best thing about this watch is the different complication it has. It has a date complication at 3 o'clock. Then it has a day of the week complication here. And then it has a month complication at the top at 12 o'clock. And then it has a moon phase complication at 6 o'clock. And it also shows time in 24 hours format. That's a lot of feature for a budget watch. If you were to look for these complications in an established brand watches, they would easily cost you a few $1,000s. Let's move to the style of the watch. This is a dress watch, which means you can wear it to the parties, office, meetings, family get-togethers, and at many more places. There is no lume applied. Now it's time to talk about the measurement that I have taken from the seller's website. I haven't measured it by myself. I'm just sharing the readings which I have took from the seller's website. So according to the seller's website, the dial diameter is around 44 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 22 mm. The case is around 16 mm thick. That's a pretty thick watch. And the window crystal is made of mineral and it seems to be a little bit domed at the center. And if we look at the hands, they are also in rose gold color. There are total 6 hands. And one is for hour hand, minute hand, seconds hand. Then one is for telling the week of the day. Then one is for telling the month of the year. And then one is indicating the time in 24 hours format. Talking about the dial, it has indexes in Roman numerals and then it has a chaptering. Well, it has a very beautiful looking dial. At the bottom it mentions automatic. Well, this watch is powered by an automatic movement, as we can see it from the backside. Then we have a PU leather strap. It's a brown color strap. And it has a fake crocodile texture on it, and then we have a steel buckle. It is not marked, And now it's time to check how it looks on a wrist. And here it is on my 6.5 inches wrist. It's a nice looking dress watch. I really like it, especially the color of the case. Yeah, nice. That is all for now, and I will try to create a full review video on this watch after using it for some time. Thank you for joining us on this quick unboxing of Tevise T867A. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, happy watch collecting!